Hello friends, today I will show you how to do Savannah pattern and it's very beginner friendly design. You will have to know just very basic stitches, crochet stitches. We start with foundation row and the chains count usually is divisible on 3 plus 2 and the pattern itself is very earthy, very simple, classic and timeless, and I hope you will enjoy doing it. After foundation row, we start doing half double crochet in the third chain from the hook, and we continue till the end of the row working a half double crochet stitch. If you don't know how to do half double crochet stitch, you can learn right now. It's yarn over. You put your hook inside the chain, yarn over, and you pull through the strand through all 3 loops you have on your hook, and you go like this till the end of your row, and finish the row in the last chain with the half double crochet. Then we do 2 chains and we turn our work. Our first row is finished, so now you can do 2 chains and turn, and we start the second row, yarn over. We do in the same chain, we do half double crochet, and we continue working the same way we did in the last row. We continue working half double crochet stitch till the end of your row. And at the end of the second row, we do our last half double crochet and the chain 2 that we started our row with, and we do again chain 2. We turn our work and we start the third row with another stitch, double crochet stitch, and in this row we do all the stitches, we work all the stitches double crochet. I'm working a little bit slowly, so you can, if you don't know how to do double crochet stitch, you can learn it looking how it is worked. It's almost the same as half double crochet. The yarn over, we pull through the strand, but we work not 3 loops, we work 2 loops, and then again yarn over, and we work last 2 loops we have on the hook. So we continue working double crochet stitch till we arrive to the end of the row. And again at the end of the row we work last double crochet stitch in the chain 2 of the previous row, and our third row is finished. Now we do chain 2 and turn our work to start row 4. We do in the first stitch we do half double crochet and continue this row till the end of the row working double crochet stitch. As you can see, it's really easy to remember stitches combination, and very pleasant texture is created by combining these two basic stitches. For this tutorial I'm using 7mm hook, metric size, and one of my favorite yarns for, let's say, 4 seasons. It's navy yarn by Adriafil. It's chunky weight yarn, and it's actually, I like it because it's not wool, it's not cotton, it's a mix that is going well for any season. We finished this row 2 with the last stitch made in chain 2 of the previous row. We do again chain 2, we turn our work, and voila, we arrive to the last row of the pattern. Now we will work the last row of the pattern, then we repeat from row 2 till row 5. We work in the first stitch double crochet stitch, then we do yarn over, skip 2 stitches of previous row, and work 3 double crochet stitches in the same stitch. Again we skip 2 next stitches and work in the next third stitch again 3 double crochets in the same stitch. We continue working all the row, skipping 2 stitches, 3 double crochet stitches in 1 stitch, skipping 2, 3 double crochet in 1 stitch. And when you arrive to the last skip 2, we finish the row with double crochet. So we have made our Savannah pattern completely. Now you will just repeat the rows we just made. So as you can see, it's having very simple and earthy texture, and in this row I want to pay your attention to the fact that you will have 2 stitches less if you count the stitches every row, but we start making the row 6, and at the end of the row 6 you will have the same number of stitches you had in row 1. So don't worry, you will recover these stitches because chain 2 we've made in granny stripe row doesn't count, and instead in every row you make half double crochet and double crochet, you count these 2 stitches. That's why there is this difference. Now I want to show you how we recover these 2 stitches to make it more clear. So we work the first 2 stitches we worked already, and at the end of the row you do the same. You do half double crochet in the last stitch you have, plus you do half double crochet in the chain 2 of the previous row. That's how you get these 2 stitches more and recover the 2 stitches that were missing in the granny stripe row. I hope you like this beautiful and simple design. It's very beginner friendly, and you basically can do with it any blanket, shawl, scarf, also the hat for the baby, anything you would like to. And here are some examples to get you inspired.